Yeah, let me call Alan over in accounting. And what's going on with the phone? The screen is not responsive. Howdy do. It's Silly Reviews. Let's review the TracFone Alcatel MyFlip. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing a brand new TracFone I just purchased, prepaid phone. If you see this at your local Walmart, Dollar General, Family Dollar, you're going to pick this up for about $19.99, or at least that's what I paid. I haven't had a flip phone in ages, and we're going to review this model. What we have right here for $19.99, that's a fine looking phone. Nice little flip. All I've done so far is activate it online. Had to go to the website to activate it. Had this card I had to purchase too. That was another $19.99. But let's review the phone. It is a 4G phone, and let's see here. We're reviewing the Alcatel A405DL. So this is an Alcatel A405DL review. This is the flip phone. The reason why I got this is because I love the form factor of a flip phone. It really makes it look like you're doing big business. You whip out your phone. Yeah, let me call Alan over in accounting and, I love the buttons on it. The screen is nice. And then before I purchased it, I did open up to look at the features, okay? Surprising features for $19.99. Text and picture messaging, internet. It's got a 2 meg camera. FM frickin' radio, external caller ID, so you can see your caller ID before you flip open. And you do big business. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. Bluetooth, it's got the Bluetooth 3.0, way better than 1.0. That's awesome. 4 gigs of internal memory. It's got the quad, I kid you not. I freaking kid you not. Quad core processor. Unreal. What else do we have? microSD, up to 32 gigabytes, 12 days of standby. Unbelievable. It comes with the charger. It is a micro USB charger. Let's go ahead. Let's get hands-on with the phone. I activated it. That's all. Let's take a look. I do have data on this. I have text. I have phone. So let's see. We're going to go ahead and get right into this. We're going to open the phone. Oh, I love that clamshell. We're going to open it up. I need to get closer, not farther away. Screen nice and clear. I guess I can go ahead and make that brighter once I get into the settings. Let's take a look at the features we have on here. The middle looks like the menu. Go ahead. I'm going to try the menu. Menu button's not working. Menu button is not working. The screen just turned dim. Let's open it up again. Might be doing something wrong. There's buttons on the side here. We've got volumes and camera buttons. Earphone jack. Love to have that. I don't know what's going on here. Let's try to flip it open one more time. 15 ringtones, 15 notifications. Oh, there's an okay. Okay, let's hit okay. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the phone. The screen is not responsive. Screen is not responsive. Let's go ahead and power it off. We're going to power this off and power it back on. And maybe a hard reset or a soft reset will be just what we need. I can't power it off. Not looking good. Not looking good. We've got an unresponsive screen on a brand new Alcatel A405DL. Unreal. Well, I guess my Alcatel A405DL review is gonna earn itself 2 thumbs down. That may have even been 3, rightly so. I don't know. Do you own one of these phones? Maybe you can help me. I do not know what I'm doing wrong, but the dual screen I was excited about. You got one screen there. You've got another screen there, dual flip, but screen is completely unresponsive. Very disappointed. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews, and I do thank you for watching. Thanks.